To bring Microsoft Learn's content into the classroom, we've made an LTI application that enables you to blend self-paced learning content from the Microsoft Learn catalog. In this video, I will show how educators can configure activities within their courses using the Microsoft Learn LTI application. Here I am in my Canvas LMS. Suppose that I am teaching a design and creation of games course, and I have my course, Game 1306, already set up in Canvas, and I would like to bring materials regarding cloud computing to my course, as more and more game development leverages cloud computing technology. I have heard about Azure fundamentals, and I want to bring those learning paths from Learn to my course and assign them to my student. In Canvas, I will go to Assignments and create a new assignment. I am going to name my assignment Azure Fundamentals Reading Materials. I will configure it to use the Learn LTI app that has been configured by my IT admin. I am going to select Load this tool in a new tab. And I am going to click Save and save this assignment. I can now click the assignment and configure it. In the configuration page, I can provide description to tell my students about the assignment. Now the fun part. I am going to curate the learning paths or modules from Learn. I will search for Azure Fundamentals and select all that applicable. I think those are all the paths I want my students to complete. I will now click Publish to complete the curation process. Back in Canvas, I will now place the assignment where I want in terms of the sequence. Let's put this between Module 2 and 3 where the students will take a term break, and this Azure Fundamentals reading is just right for their term assignment. There you have it. When my students completed Module 2, they will be presented with the assignment that I configured. When my student clicked the assignment, they can then learn about Azure Fundamentals from the LTI link from the Canvas LMS.